So today we are going to celebrate Dad's birthday. We prepare a small celebration only, but full of laughters. You know, the Filipino personality, everywhere we go, we're just enjoying. And I'm going to show you a new property again from all of my hard work from working. Like, I'm just wise how I spend my small money. This water right here is flowing non-stop, and I played pool table first time in a long time. And we have unexpected experience and our visitors celebrating Dad's birthday.
This is a crazy experience.
If you want to see more of our adventure today, stay tuned and join me. So, good morning guys. So, right now we are going to go to Tubod. I am going to have some small groceries for my father's birthday tomorrow. And this is my outfit. Cha! This is a pants. Bye-bye, Papi! When I say bye to Papi, he actually barf a lot because he doesn't want to be left at home. So let's go! I am ready. So let's open our groceries. Open! This is Sophia's outfit today. What's that?
Cucumber.
Lettuce.
Spaghetti.
Huh?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Now this is for pancit.
Pancit.
Yes. What's this one?
A milkshake.
A milkshake. No, this is vinegar and then soy sauce.
Vinegar, soy sauce.
Yes. This is for bihon.
Bihon. Puppy dog.
Puppy dog.
Puppy food.
Puppy wears like a stubborn dog. And then this one.
Sugar.
This one, cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
So we're gonna make some maha blanca.
Ako ni gamiton ang box. Imo og sakyanan.
You want to use the box to make car?
Yes.
And then some bread. I think we only have 3 dishes for Dad's birthday. I think 2 dishes and then 1 dessert. Because, you know, it's a crisis time. Okay, so this is our sampay na. Then right now we're chopping it. And then this one. Chicken for Dad's birthday tomorrow. What did you say?
Nooy, kayo ang chicken, namatay kayo.
Oh.
Luto po, dayon mo matay maayo.
Oh. Yeah, you eat chicken, right?
Wala maihimo og chicken joy.
Oh, mom na chicken joy. So, we're putting some powdered milk. And this is coconut milk. And then we're going to add some condensed.
Mami, I want to help you. Oh, sugar.
Cornstarch.
Oy, kadako anak, oy, kadaghan, oy.
Bahala ko ito boy ko, masalay ko.
Gani, bahala ko man eh.
Masasagi mo nanay, oy. Pud ka mo, ana.
Amo, din ako ah.
Do like this until it's thick. I'm not sure how many minutes though because this one is a lot. Wait naman kayo ni. Yan na.
Oh, kauno na na.
Tauna na ni. It's done. Mana? Mana ni? Okay, so this is our maha blanca. Look at that one. We have 2 pieces. And as well this one. We don't have peanuts and sweet corn in this one. This one looks like the cheaper version of maha blanca. And we don't have cheese also. So this is really a cheaper version of maha blanca. So welcome to our new adventure again. So we are here at the new property. I've been showing you new property guys, but this one, I got this one very cheap. This one, this side. this part. Ta-da! And then over there. And also there's a flowing water here. So this is the flowing water. This water right here is flowing non-stop, even in dry season. We're going to take shower because we don't have water at the main house due to barangay water system is broken. Yeah, it's actually drinking water. And then I'll show you already this one before when we do picnic here. And that's the river just in front of me. So it's part of the property from there to here. The plan for this one is probably fish pond because there's hole in this area. This one, that's a hole over there. And then above there is, that's gonna be a road over there. The property is that side up to that stones above. I'm not sure if you can see it though. His stones above. And then here, I think this is more than 1,000 square meters. I cleaned this area a few months ago. 3 human grass cutter, my cousin and then Ruel, and then dad over there. So we are going to clean this area, that one. And then this one also. Over there, there's source of fresh water. So we have a lot of plant in this area. And that's a river, as you can see. So this area is included in our property. Wow, very nice. Wow, almost finished in this side. And this side is finished. So there's flowing water also here, look. So if we're going to develop this area, it's easy to have source of water. No snakes so far. I got this one and then they already surveyed this one. I paid the area about less than 100 pesos and I am happy I got this area. I really like the fresh flowing water. Also, there's a few opportunities in the area, like can be a resort or fish farming or maybe build a guest house for rent, etc.
Wes 14. Yay, hangad man. Ako sa mga siya. Ay kabalaka kay bibidyohan mo. 43, Wes. Masikat na ba sa YouTube ugma? Upload mo. South 40. Tabagnan, kusla mo kami isa din ang ibigay ay. South 72. East 34. South East. Bingo. Bingo ka.
Oh, isi kantora.
Pat ra ba? Mga biyan na dra.
North 76. 17 East. 20 North. Diha?
Ng bato.
Sa bato.
Batong gitil-til.
Okay, ikala niya. Tanang na. Di pa yun. Distrito yun.
Ano siya? Ano sa nang number?
50 lang diha. 40 nito. Out.
So I got this one very cheap and then I pay this one monthly and then until I finish paying it. I have very small salary on my YouTube but then I can buy some property, but these are cheap properties. How good I am with my money to have a few properties from my YouTube. This is the hardest one because it's a bit, you know, elevated in this side. Then let's go down. Okay. Ah! It's dangerous. Look. Ah, sila nagsugod panahid, tay. Dito? So this is our food, rice, And then, sanin, ma, sampay na?
Ayun na.
Sampay na. And then this one is chicken. That's one bihon.
O, dana na. Tapos rin na. Susud anime.
Oh, that's chicken. So we don't have proper table, but we can do this like cowboy eating. Then they're trying to make some shade over there, but I don't think they can make it. Hoy Rian, sulog baya ha, mga anod mo. Sophia. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you now. How old are you now?
25 ko na, 25.
Let's eat.
To. Ay, na to. To.
Plato mandi. Plato dali. Hi, Mom. So this is our current hello. So this is our current situation right now when it's raining. So we cover all of our food in this side. Hi, Mamay.
Gamay ra.
Kaon. Yeah, Ma'am. Sa mo adventure na mo din eh.
Very kuan kayo siya. Adventurous good kaayo.
Yes, and also the path that we're taking earlier, it's very slippery.
Slippery. Ano na balinto.
See? Kita mo? Nabalito ka, Kon? Slide ka ganina?
Basa-basa siya.
So they're doing some fishing so that we have like raw fish for kinilaw and then for soup later. Uy, ilain ninyong kuan, lapisan o pait-pait. Ang lapisan, kilawon man. Kulaon. Wow.
Dan sa kapura. Ispuwit pa dyan. Sila talipyo ano. Sa kaplangana ko sa kabalde.
Kami kita una rin lasan dito. Pastor do kanala.
Mangayar ho.
Yan naman malang siya. Agan po tayo.
This is a crazy experience. Look at us. It's raining, and then earlier it was raining as well while we are cleaning the fish. And then, right now we're moving there. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. And the rest of the groups is over there. My camera. My gulay. Kadangon. Damo kayo! Samot kay ni ulan. Sasagbot mo, tunog! Yay! Achieve! Sulod mo, ma'am. Nang nanam, naman na may tubig dadto ay magbukbuk ta. Tala! Lagi sa tayo. So this is our kinilaw, the fish that they got earlier, and then the fish that we cleaned earlier. So this is the fish, tinolang fish, fish soup with coconut milk. This is the fish that we got earlier. Yay! If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!